Hey, what's up everybody? This is Pankaj Singh here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you that how to track your leads using ClickMagick conversion pixels, right guys? So guys, if you're a affiliate marketer and want to track your conversions, that how many leads you are getting, right? Then guys, this video is for you. So guys, are you ready for that? Okay, let's start. So guys, as you know, I'm using ClickFunnels for creating my landing page, thank you page, my funnel, right guys? And I'm using ClickMagick for tracking my leads, right guys? So let us show that how to track, how to create your tracking pixels, right? So guys, as I'm already into my ClickMagick account, so guys, here what you have to do, just for go and create your tracking link first thing. So guys, before that, let us show that I'm just going to log in into my ClickFunnels account. Just wait. So guys, as you can see that I'm into my ClickFunnels account. So go to funnel. So these are the funnels that I have created. So guys, as for example, I want okay, I want to track this one, right? This funnel. So what I will do, just click on that, right guys? So it's a two-step funnel. So I want to track this one. So guys, what I have to do, I have to just go to create new link, click on that, and then I have to give it a name, right? For example, it's free business in box, right guys? So guys, as I'm using custom domain to track, so and just give it a name, free business inbox, free business inbox. Yes guys, so guys, here I have to put my link, right, of this one, right, opt-in link, right, or you can say landing page link, first link that I want to track. So guys, here copy that. This is my opt-in link. Let us show that how it looks. So guys, this is the page. This is my landing page that I want to track. So guys, so I have to put my link here, right, and then create. Okay, I have already created, so just go back and so guys, free, where is free? Should be here. Yes guys, can you see that it's free business inbox? So it's a tracking link, unique click and fraud click and action. So it is 0, right guys? Can you see that? Where is that? Yes, it's 0, right? So what I have to do, I have to just click on that, right? And from here, can you see that tools? Go here and tracking pixel, and it's a pixel builder. Click on that. And yes, on the next page, keep everything as it is, right? You don't need to change anything, right? So here for reference purpose, you can give it a BIB business inbox page, for example, right? So here, so can you see that this is my tracking pixel that I have to put that link on the thank you page of my funnel. So guys, can you see that this is my thank you page? this is my thank you page, right? Let's show you that how it looks, right? So on the thank you page, I have to put that pixel, or right, that pixels conversion pixel. So just go to any page, right, and go to, right, can you see that settings, and then tracking code in footer, right? There is already, so I have just delete. Let's, okay, so guys, I have put tracking pixel here, right? So I have to just save. That's it. So guys, just go to link. Now business inbox, as you can see, it is 0, right? So if I put into window, right, so if I put, and then guys, it was split testing, so it was the other page. So guys, as you can see that I have put my email address and I have been taken to next page. So let's see on our ClickMagick what happens there. Refresh it. So guys, can you see that free business inbox? So it is showing one click, right, and then one unique click, right, tracking click, unique click, and there is one action. So it shows that one person has put his email address. So this is how we track our conversion, right? This is how we track our leads, right, using ClickMagick tracking pixel or conversion pixel, right guys? So guys, if you have any question, then please do let me know. Type your question in the comment and I will answer you, right guys? So once again, if you want this ClickMagick, then down below there is a link, right? So that you can track your all campaigns, right, whether it's affiliate campaign or sales campaign, whatever, right? And yes, if you want to create your landing page, thank you page, or your funnel, whether it's a sales funnel, membership funnel, or to webinar funnel, then guys, you can use ClickFunnels. It's a very good tool, right, that I'm using personally. So guys, if you want these both tools, then down below there is a link. Go and click on that link. And yes, if you create your account through my link, through my affiliate link, then I will give you my personal coaching for 1 hour, right guys? So guys, just go and create your account with ClickFunnels as well as your ClickMagick if you want to track your affiliate campaign, or if you want to create your landing page or your opt-in funnels, lead generation funnel, right guys? So thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.